everyone. Hello and happy holidays. So this is Susan with Inspire by Hand and Heart. And on September 11th with OOAK, I will be presenting these 4 cards as a kit. I have 2 that are in red, green, gold that are from a retired line by Anna Griffin. I also have this line here that is a new line by the Paper Boutique called Christmas Magic. What's unique about these cards is that I am using a transparent binding cover as the A2 card. And I just real quickly will kind of go through those and show you what that might look like. You can decorate the outside of the transparent paper, make it whatever you want. I, however, will give you everything that you see here. And if you wanted to change that, that's totally fine. It's up to you. This one comes with a string and a stamp inside. I love this card because of this is also a die cut from Anna Griffin. I love the way that it ties, and it has a message on the back. The add-on for this kit will be the Graphics 45 Pearl Gems. This is an absolute must for your Christmas cards, your Halloween cards, you name it. It is fabulous. So I hope that you love this as much as I do, and the uniqueness of the clear acrylic card. All right, everybody, please visit inspiredbyhandandheart.com. Get my little deer up there. Happy holidays. It's never too soon to start. We get so busy in October that it just creeps up on us. I would love to help you make your holiday season a little bit easier. I can send these to you. You'll have 4 beautiful cards. You may want to order 2 kits. Even just one of the Graphic 45 Pearl Gems will get you through at least 2 kits. And you've got 8 cards. Thank you so much. I hope to have these all ready to ship out next week. So please go to inspiredbyhandandheart.com. Thank you and happy holidays.